Bob, as the host of the show, thanks so much for doing this.
Thank you for being here with me, Patrick.
It's my pleasure. And I know that a lot of the design of Monetize Your Mind is to create extra wealth for the listeners, the viewers, people that are trying to, what I'll say, create a legacy, or maybe even take their gifting and bring it to the marketplace. And you have tools to help them monetize that.
You know, Patrick, on the way over here to the studio, I was thinking about a story that I really want to share.
Sure.
It made a big impact on me. When I was young, I used to listen to someone named Earl Nightingale.
Many times.
And he used to tell a story about a speaker, writer named Russell Conway, I believe.
That's right.
Russell Conwell.
Yeah.
Now, Russell Conwell, millennials that are watching may wonder now, why would I be telling a story about somebody that was born in 1843 and he died in 1925?
Really an old dead dude, you know?
Yeah, old dead dude. The baby boomers like me will understand that there's really some valuable things to be learned from the past. Russell Conwell told a story called Acres of Diamonds that really relates to what we're going to talk about today, monetizing your mind. And in this story, this was actually a speech that Russell Conwell gave like 6,000 times. He turned it into a book. He used it as a fundraiser to found a college. I believe it was Princeton in Philadelphia. But anyway, Russell Conwell told this story called Acres of Diamonds. And in the story, he told about a man who lived in South Africa who was a farmer. And this farmer had dreams of becoming wealthy. He wanted wealth, and he heard all these great stories about people discovering gold nuggets and diamonds. And he said, man, I would really love to have a diamond mine. If I could find diamonds, that'd be so much better than being a farmer. So he sold his farm and he left, took off searching the world, died in poverty, died broke. In the meantime, the guy that bought his farm was out walking one day, and he saw something glinting by the edge of the stream, and it turned out to be a diamond in the rough. And it turned out that one of the largest diamond mines in South Africa was on the farm that this guy sold. And the point that Russell Conwell made in Acres of Diamonds was that we all have acres of diamonds in our own backyard. And I want to narrow that down even more. Not in our own backyard. We all have a fortune between our ears. And so many people are looking for a guru, looking for someone telling them what they should do without realizing the value they have themselves. And so what we're going to be talking about the next few weeks today and the next few programs is about how to get that value out of your mind, how to get the intellectual property that you have in your mind and monetize it and turn it into a stream of income.
You can become a published author. Discover a system that will lead you from idea to having your book on the bookshelves. Bob Baer pulls back the curtain at the More Power to Publish workshop. Watch and learn how to follow the step-by-step plan to turn your idea into a published book. Learn more at morepowertopublish.com.